Hello everyone, myself Balaji Chavan. My today's video topic is list interface and set interface and map interface. First of all, list. The list is Java collection interface. Sub interface is called as list interface. Index based way add, update, remove, and search for the duplicate elements are also possible in list. Null entries can also keep the list. List enable the positional access and the insertion of the element, maintaining the insertion order in the located of the package, that is Java util.package. For understanding the where are the element are Java in interface list. Next is set interface. Set interface is a Java and used to unordered approach of the Java collection interface in search with the util package in set duplicate item will not be printed by the output will not be taken into account for the look of for the better understanding for item is using for interface in Java look at. Next is map set in Java. Map set is Java util package is interface as a key and value are mapped in map interface. A Java map interface able to hold pairs of key and values more detail in individual value is connected to each and the value can later is retrieved using only the key and after the being in saved in map. For the better understanding for to add the element in utilizing in map, then key and value is used. Next is difference between list and map and set. List, the element can be duplicated in the list interface, but set element are not permitted in set. Also not duplicate elements are allowed in map. List, the list preserve order of inclusive and map there are no insertion order in maintaining sets and sets there are no insertion order in mentioned by set and map. Further, there is no mention order mentioned by in the map. List, quantity of the null values can be added and set, but there only really one value is added in set. In map, null values can be present in any and null key in the map. Linked list. Linked list and array list are classes used in for the list implementation. The classes used implementation sets include hash set and tree set. In map hash and map table and link hash map are different in map in implementation in classes. That's all about hash set and set map